quick tutorial to help some people out who have used Terrate. I'm here, I have an inflatable boat that was punctured here, you can see, and I wanted to I'm not trying to, take a bash on Terrate, because they do make, they're the only decent quality brand on the market, right, that people buy, but it's a little bit expensive, and I'm hoping they'll probably reduce their price after this. So I actually reapplied this. The tearing, the rolling edges here are not characteristic of the product from my experience, but the product did wrinkle, and when I sprayed some soap water onto it, you could see some bubbles forming from the edges, suggesting that the patch was not correctly made. So I'm going to teach in this tutorial how to fix that up. So what we're going to need is, first and foremost, some super glue, and you might be a little bit skeptical on using this on vinyl, but it actually works tremendously well. I'd recommend more expensive types of super glue, like Gorilla Glue, for instance, but I'm just going to take a gamble here, and I'm going to use this, and I'm going to follow that up with sort of an enamel coat. This is gloss, but that doesn't matter. I just want something extra sticky to cover up and harden the applied area on the vinyl. I should say that beforehand I did reapply the vinyl, so it was wrinkled up, and I peeled it back, and then I reapplied it, and I resprayed it to check if there was any air coming out, and there wasn't. Okay, and followed by that, I'm going to use some Gorilla Tape, or you could use duct tape, either or, and we're going to seal that up, and I'll show you what the final product looks like. Super glue right here onto these edges. All right, it's not a very clean distribution, but should get the job done. I'm going to pull out a little bit of air and see if there's still any bubbles coming up. A bit of air pressure now. No, looks good. No air coming out. Okay, that should do the trick. I'm going to put a little bit more super glue, and then I'm going to spray this over. All right, phase 2. Here we go. This is the final product right here. So I guess you could have just gone without the whole spray painting thing, but I just wanted to be extra sure that it was sealed. So not the prettiest look, but again, this is going to be under the boat, so I'm not worried. I'll follow up once I've taken down the water a few times to see if the Gorilla Tape was a good idea, if it sticks or not. But knowing the nature of this material right here, it's probably not going to come off. I'll pull off the plastic before it does come off. So okay, and I checked everywhere else on the boat. There are no leaks, no air punches, so